Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. And if you're new here, hello, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, we're gonna plug a tire. Now, everyone goes through this at some point in their life, where you get a nail, a screw, a bolt, or something like that stuck in your tire. So I highly recommend you get a kit. Now, this kit's like a $15 kit. You can go to O'Reilly's or any auto parts store and get one for $4, $5, $6. Keep one of those cheap kits in your car just in case you're on the side of the road when this happens. Well, let's go in the garage and plug a tire. So now that we're in the garage, I apologize if you hear an echo, but you can see I got a little something stuck in my tire. Now, I work in an industrial complex, so not only are other buildings in the complex getting worked on, but the streets are getting worked on and all the roads getting to work, so this was going to happen eventually. But you can see that this is stuck here. So there's two different ways you can fix a tire. What we're going to do today is plug it. I'm going to rip this out, put a plug in here. Now, when you have a problem with your tire, only on the tread can you actually fix the vehicle. Anything on the sidewall, you can't. This is dangerous if you try to patch or seal something like that. Only on the tread can you do this work. But the first step in any of this stuff is to remove this screw or nut, depending on what it actually is. So let's pull it out. A pair of pliers. Expensive kits will come with pliers and knives and stuff like that. This is just a cheap kit, so hopefully everyone in their toolbox has a pair of pliers. But let's just pull it out. So now that it's out, you can hear the leak. If I sprayed some soapy water, you would have seen a small leak from before, but now we have to ream it out. You want to get the ream in there, give it some turns, push deep as you can. You're basically cleaning the hole out. You want your plug to fit in here nice and easily. So this is making the hole a little bit bigger, but cleaning it as well. So now I have my plug. I'm pulling it through this hole here. You put a little bit of lube on here first and lube on here. It comes with the kits. Basically, this is not only a lube, but it's also like a rubber cement to help this tarry piece stay inside your tire and plug it properly. So take a pair of pliers, or you can use your hands. And you want about halfway there, because now we're going to push it through that hole. So now you basically take that plug with your little tool here, and you're going to push it in. You want to make sure it gets in there deep. You're going to need some force. And then you got the slider on this kit. This is going to help you push it down. And you just push it in there. Use a little force. So basically, this was what was in my tire. Now, when you do a plug, you get it in there, you'll have a little bit that sticks out. That's why you have a knife. This is a knife right here. You're just going to cut some of that excess off. Now don't worry about a little bit sticking out when you drive. It will obviously wear a little bit and come off. Something like that. But now it's plugged. Now basically there could have been two things I could have done. This was a plug, it's the easiest to do, or a patch. Now a patch, you take the whole tire off, take the wheel off of the rim itself, you can go inside, take the patch, put it in there as a sealer on it, let it dry. I like patches better. It's a little bit more work, but I've seen a lot of people put plugs in that last years, thousands of miles, and they've had no problems with it. Let's put air in the tires, spray a little soapy water, and see how good we did. Alright, so our screw is now out, plug is in, and I filled up the tires. So a little bit of spray of water, and you don't see any bubbles foaming up, so that means our plug is good to go. Alright, so just like that, the plug is in the tire and my car is ready to go. Just remember those easy steps. You remove whatever's stuck in your tire, whether it's a screw, bolt, or whatever, then you have to clean the tire. Basically, you take that reamer, it's cleaning out the hole, making it a little bit bigger. You then take your plug, put the lubrication and or cement, put it into the hole, and when it's done, cut everything out, fill up the tire, and you're good to go. Now, in this case, you should probably support your vehicle with a jack stand or something like that. Mine's actually at my dad's house. You really don't want any vehicle sitting on its rim. But if you're stuck on the side of the road, it's always good to keep one of those cheap patch kits and or a plug kit in your vehicle. Now, I use a plug kit today. You could use a patch. It all depends on your personal wants and needs. But take a little air compressor with you. You can get some cheap ones and just keep them in the back of your vehicle. They can power through your cigarette lighters and stuff like that. So if you are on the side of the road, you do have a problem like that, do those easy steps I showed you, fill yourself up, and you're ready to go. But guys, I thank you for watching, and if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content as well as cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs, a little of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you guys stay up to date with the latest and greatest for my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you guys for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next one.